diagram show the sector AOB with center O and radius 7. The angle of AOB is pi over 4. Find the perimeter of the shaded region. Okay, so for this one, we know that this is the radius, R is 7, and this is the theta. So S equal to R theta. So the arc AB will be the 7 times pi over 4. So it is 7 pi over 4. And next, if we want to find the value of AB, we add a line here. Okay. So because this is a radius 7, 7, so this one, it will be perpendicular. I give a name X here, and this is a AM. This is a right angle triangle. So for this right angle triangle here, this is a right angle triangle. So for this right angle triangle, the angle will become pi over 8 radian. So this is what we want to find, is the opposite, and this is the hypotenuse. So so the sine pi over 8 is the x over 7. So x will be the 7 sine pi over 8. So we have the 7 sine pi over 8. Angle unit I change to R. So this will be 2.6 something. Okay. Then the AB will be the 2x. So will be this one times 2. 5 point something. Okay. So 5.36. Just now we have the 7 pi over 4. So this is 5.50. So the perimeter of shaded region will be the 5.50 plus the 5.36. Then it will be 10.86 cm. In the calculator here, this one is in degree. Okay, so the pi over 8. So this one, the sine pi over 8. If I put R, this is the value. If I didn't put R, then it's something different, which is wrong. Okay, because the pi is actually 180 degree. So this is 2.67. So pi without R, this is in degree, so we have to use degree. Okay, if the calculator here, the D, we change to R, then we no need to put the R here. So the R, this R, okay, is either here or either here. Okay, there is the symbol R here. So here, mode, and then shift mode, the angle unit 2. Then this one become R already. So like this, correct. And then this one, not correct. But this one, just now the pi over 8 without R, correct already. Now this one correct already. Why this one is correct? Because the without R is still correct, because the R is here already. Question number 2. A circle have a radius of 6 cm. A sector of this circle have a perimeter of this. Find the area of this sector. Okay, so we have a sector here. We have the theta the R is 6, 6, and then this is the S. So the perimeter will be the 6 plus 6 plus S. And then the perimeter given is the 2, 6 plus 5 pi. And then it is actually 12 plus 10 pi. So this is 12 plus 8 S. So the 12 plus 8 equal to 12 plus 10 pi. So we know that the S is 10 pi. And we know that the S is equal to R theta. So S equal to R theta. So 10 pi equal to 6 theta. So the theta will be the 10 pi over 6, which is 5 pi over 3 radian. So they want us to find the area. So we know that for a sector, area is equal to half R square theta. So half 6 square, then the theta is 5 pi over 3. Okay, so we have the half 6 square and then 5 over 3, 30. So it will become 30 pi cm square. Okay, or this one multiply with pi, then it will become 94. So 94.2 cm square. Okay, diagram show isosceles triangle OAB. Then the OA equal to OB equal to 12, and the angle here is theta radian. CD line on OA and OB is and CD is an arc. Center O, radius 10. Area of sector OCD is 35 cm square. Find the perimeter of shaded region. Okay, so the theta here not given. Theta is given 0.7 already. Okay, so they want us to find the perimeter of shaded region. Okay, so the perimeter, we have the S equal to R theta. This is R, this is theta. So we have 10 times 0.7, this is 7, is the arc CD. And over here is 2. So the AC equal to BD is the 12 minus 10 is 2. And we want to find the value of AB. So to find the value of AB, we have a right angle triangle here. So for this right angle triangle, this is 0.35 radian, and over here is 12. 12 is the hypotenuse, and this is the opposite. Okay, so smaller version of this will be something like this. This is the 0.35 radian. So this is 12, and then this is the MB. So I have a M here. So this is the hypotenuse, opposite. So we have the sine 0.35 C is the over H, that is the MB over 12. So the MB is the 12 sine 0.35 C. So we have the 12 sine 0.35. So my calculator is in R already, but I don't like. I will change back to degree and I put the R here. Okay, I will normally keep my calculator in degree. Then when I need to use radian, then only I do it this way. So the AB is 2 times 4.11. Then it is 8.22. So the perimeter of shaded region will be 2 plus 2 plus 7 plus 8.22. 19.22 cm. Over here, I write the sine 0.35c. Okay, why I write it this way? Because in the workbook, course book, it says that 1 radian, 1c, is the size of the angle subtended at the center of a circle, radius r by an arc of length r. So this is 1c. So they use c instead of r lah. The calculator is using r. But for IG, we use c. Question number 4. Diagram show an isosceles triangle OAB. OA equal to OB. Angle is theta. C and D line on OA and OB. This is something similar to the previous question. Okay, CD is an arc 9.6 cm, center O, radius 12. The arc CD touched the line AB at the point M. The value of theta is 0.8, so it tells us that this one is 0.8 radian. This is the theta. Find the total area of the shaded region. So area of the shaded region. Over here, we can have a right angle triangle here. So for this right angle triangle, this one is 0.4 radian. Okay. We know that the OC, OD, OM equal to the OC equal to the OD is the radius, which is 12. So this is 12 here. So you imagine over here, you have the OMB here. This is 12. And this is 0.4 radian. So I want to find the MB. Okay, so opposite, adjacent. So we have 2. Tangent 0.4c equal to the O per A, MB over 12. So the MB will be the 12 tangent 0.4. So we have the 12 tangent 0.4, option angle unit C. So MB is 5 point something, and then the AB will be 2 times this. Okay, multiply by 2. So the angle area for triangle of OAB will be the half times the base times the half base 10.15 times the 12. This is 12 here. So will be this one times 6. So times 6, then 60.88. Okay, and then we want to find the area of the shaded region. Area of OCD will be the half 12 square 0.8. Okay, so we have the area equal to half r square theta. So will be this one. So we have the 0.5, 12 square, 0.8. So this one will become 57.6. The area of shaded region will be this 60.88 minus this one 57.6. So 60.88 minus 57.6, then we will have the 3.28 cm square. Question number 5. So this one is same with the question number 3. Yeah. Okay. So but they want to find the area of shaded region in this question. So this is 0.7 and then 35. Okay. So in question number 3 there, we already find the AB is 8.22 here. Okay. So this one is the 8.22. Yes. So 8.22. So this is 8.22. And we know that the OM here is 12 because the OM equal to the OA equal to the OB is the radius, which is 12. So the area of triangle OAB will be the half 8.22 times 12. So it will be the 8.22 times 6. So it's 49.32. This is 49.32. 6 here. And the area of OCD will be the half 10 square 0.7. So which is 35. Okay. So the area of shaded region will be 49.32 minus 35. So it will be the 14.32. 0.5 times 10 square times 7. So 0.5 times 10 square times 0.7 is 35. Then the 49.32 minus 35 is the 14.33. Okay. Actually the area of triangle, we have easier way to find the area of triangle. 49. The area of triangle, we can use the formula to find area in the modern max there. We have the area of triangle OAB is the half 12 sine 0.7. So we have the 0.5 times 12 times 12. Okay. Sine 0.7. So this is 46.38. So something wrong. So if we use this one, so this is 46.4 minus 35, then this will become 11.4 cm square. So the answer provided is this. Okay. I think something wrong lah. I will figure out later, but we can do it this way lah. If we have this one, okay, we have the 8.22 12. This is 12 here. Well, this is 12. The one is 12. Oh no, I make a mistake here. This is 12 here. So the OM not OM not 12. So the OM here, we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find the OM. Okay, so this one is wrong. So the OM is the square root of the 12 square minus the 4.11 square. So this will be the square root of 12 square minus 4.11 square. So this is the 11.27. The area of triangle OAB will be the half, and then the base is 8.22 and the height is 11.23. So we have the 0.5 times 8.22 times 11.27, so it's 46.3. This is the 46.3 cm square. Yes, so this is the 46.4 minus 35, then it is 11.4 cm square. Okay.